Thank you, daughter, for updating me. Project 365, day 355. It's an exciting day today. I get my Apple back replaced. So thank you, Apple. The service has been outstanding. So I get a brand new machine to replace the old one that I had. So let's do it. Let's unpackage it. Let's get excited. All right, I'm excited. Trine looks so excited back then. She's got a new machine. Well, she hasn't that I have, but everybody, this is great. Great news. I'll be able to finish my editing off for the end of the year. Peace out. And Freya's got something just to run by you on the way. Hold on, let's come over here.
Christmas countdown, 4 days.
4 days to Christmas, everybody. Enjoy. Peace out. See you tomorrow.